everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Chelsea and we are currently in my basement. I have been living in boxes and chaos since moving to my new house. I'm sorry if you're a little unsteady. I've got you propped up on a piece here. I can't live like this anymore. I have to get organized, and typically... Are you too shaky up here? Typically, I would have gone through this stuff prior to moving to get rid of what I don't want or what I wanted to donate. I actually recommended that in my tips for moving video, but a lot of this stuff was in a storage unit and it was getting loaded right from the storage unit to come to my new house. So I didn't get a chance to go through those bins, but I know that there's a lot of stuff that I have that I either want to donate or sell. So we're gonna go through stuff, we're gonna get organized. You're gonna see all the things that I have. It's a lot. It's a lot. But that's okay. We're gonna go through it and try to get sort of organized here. You guys, look at all the stuff in here. There's a bed over there. Miles is apparently trying to escape through the window. He loves all the window ledges. This basement is unfinished, obviously, but I just have so much darn stuff in here. This area was cleaned out. We did take some furniture upstairs, but if you come over here into the garage, there is even more stuff. Yeah, just stuff shoved into corners. Lots of boxes of things, and it's just everywhere. So I have to go through things. A lot of these boxes, or bins I should say, I think are seasonal and just random decor. So I'm gonna go through that. I clearly have lots of pillows, lots of baskets and stuff like that. There's fall florals up there, pumpkins, Halloween in here, just stuff. So let's just start working through this. Okay, so I set up 3 boxes here. I just have 3 that are empty, and I think what I'm gonna do is have a box for donating, have a box of stuff that I'm gonna try to sell. Owning a home is expensive, you guys. And then I think a box maybe that needs to go upstairs, or stuff that I have to sort through. I think Miles wants to leave. Go ahead, baby. He's done with the garage. I don't know where I've accumulated all this stuff. I think I'm gonna try to separate the bins by a rack of seasonal stuff, a rack of just things that I've saved, family photos. My mom gave me a lot of stuff from when I was a baby, so I had that here as well. So I think I'm gonna try to break the shelves down into sections, and then probably bins of decor that I have to go through. I think I overestimated what I was gonna get done today, so I think we're just gonna try to organize by section, and then stuff that's open, I'll go through that. I was like, what is this up there in that box? And it's a fresh coffee print. This is so cute. It's gonna be crazy, the stuff that I find that I forgot that I had. This has been in storage for a little while, but these are gonna be some hard decisions. Okay, so I started putting baskets and woven items in there. I started the holiday kind of section here, and then down there is kind of stuff that I have to go through that I've saved. This is stuff for my Etsy shop, and then these are the boxes that I'm working to fill up into the sections. here I've started collecting my lamps. I have so many lamps. This is only like one section of lamps that I found. And then here are candles I've started collecting to take upstairs. So I'm making a little bit of progress. This room certainly does not look like it, but we'll keep working at it. You guys, look who I found. Hi. What are you doing, buddy?
Been walking down the street so many times my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is.
Guys, good morning. It is another day. It is a snowy day. Look at this. Are you gonna be able to see? It is so snowy outside. This is typical Pennsylvania. One day it's 55, 60 degrees. The next day it's, 20 and snowing. So that's okay. I made substantial progress yesterday on moving things, so I'm going to show you where I'm at. Alright, so we'll go into the basement first. If I can turn on the light, you will see that the area is like substantially cleaned out. I was actually able to get a rug put down, and then this may still look bad to you, but those boxes all across the back wall are empty except for that one. That is just collecting paper, and that's more boxes. So all that I really have left is like this stuff in here. I have my plants over there. They actually need to be watered, and then the mattress is still over there. On this side, I have the bed frame. Wow, that looks so different in color in the lighting. But those are going to get sanded down. Those are pieces of a bed frame, and I'm actually going to redo them. It is really crazy how different the colors look on camera. But anyway, I have some art stacked up here. I do want to get that moved upstairs, but did a lot here. If we go to the garage, okay, well, so first you'll see that my car is in here, which clearly means I was able to get stuff cleaned out. This area over here is also much better. That is a chair I have to refinish. That is like years long project. I can't even tell you how long ago I got that chair. But these boxes like here, here, and here are actually those boxes that I talked about for stuff I'm going to sell, stuff I'm going to donate, and stuff that unfortunately, maybe broke in the move or just isn't going to work out. These shelves still need a little bit of work. Those two boxes up there I still have to go through. They are decor, but the fact that I was able to get my car in here obviously is a plus. If we go to the other side, still need to find a place for the exercise bike and a few of this stuff. That desk I'm actually selling, and then that little storage piece I think is going to stay in the garage. So definite progress. All right, so let's go upstairs and I will show you some of the decor that I've unpacked. Okay guys, look at, this is just 2 bins of stuff. Like, I truly have a lot of decor. So over in this area I tried to kind of round up some of my brass candlesticks, and then some other kind of brass type pieces. Over here, some random frames that I found in storage. Little pieces like glassware in here. Over here, I put some like wood pieces, woven baskets. This is This is just a box of candles. I have a lot of candles. Pottery pieces over here. Over here I also have a couple art pieces. You saw these two in my last thrifting video. There's that bench, but I need to get moving here. Alright, so I am sitting here on the floor amongst all that decor that you saw. I think I am going to leave you here. There's not much more, I think, organization-wise I can really do right now. And honestly, I want to start getting my home really styled. So I'm going to leave you here. I'm going to turn off the camera and then I'm going to turn the camera right back on because my next video is going to be my living room makeover. And I am so excited for this. I can't wait to get this space done and turned over and looking more like a space that I love. So I'm going to leave you here. But stay tuned because next video we'll do my living room makeover and you'll get to see the way I style a lot of the thrifted pieces that I find kind of more in depth. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more from me, you can subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in a minute. Take care, guys.